my house, my family, and my money.
What? I didn't take away those things from you. This is stupid.
And you can take away my freedom, but not my love for Jolly Ranchers. Gummy style.
Cut. Great job, guys. That's a wrap.
I hate this job.
Now somebody go get me my Jolly Rancher gummies.